Welcome back. In this series, we're going to talk about HTML5 headings. My name is Iyola Omotayo. Uh, the objectives, or the objective is to use the H1, H2, H3 to H6 headings. How do we go about that? Let me just ask you a very funny question. If you're asked to choose between $1 and $6, which would be your choice? Your guess is as good as mine. You want to go for something bigger. $6? Don't be too selfish. Okay, of course, $6 is far more than $1. You're going to get something for $6. You're going to get more quantity than that of $1, which means $6 is bigger than $1. All right, but in the case of headings, as far as HTML is concerned, H1 is greater than H6. You're asking me how to prove that. All right, let's go ahead to practical. Now Sublime. Well, in the previous video, we were able to talk about the Hello World, and let's create another file. Click on File and click on New File. All right, this new file you can save already. You can save a file, save as headings. All right, headings.html. Remember, when you are saving, you had .html. Make sure that you are saving inside of the HTML5 training folder. All right, so for this project. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to type in the um, doc type, but I want to teach you a shortcut. One of the advantages of using the Sublime code. Let's use the angle bracket HTML. You're going to see all the suggestions that are you talking about HTML. Do you want to start something on HTML? So you don't need to type everything in full. Just uh, click on the enter key. Oh wow, it's all given to you, free of charge. So you don't need to type this all over again. So you have everything here. So in the title you have the headings in HTML5. So let that be your title. Of course, we are going to start our work inside of the body. Now let's write a code using the H1 heading. Okay, so let's say H1 and put a content. What content? You said this is H1 heading. All right, and you can close the tag. Automatically when you type the less than sign, it suggests that you should close the tag. So let's save this and open and go to our folder HTML5 training headings, the one we just saved. Right click on it and open with Chrome. You can open with any of your native browser. That's the one that came with your operating system. So we have the title here. Remember we said it's headings in HTML5. That's what we have there. We have this is H1 heading. So let's do H2. Okay, we can just do a kind of copy and paste. Copy, don't mind me, I like shortcuts, right? Okay, I'm not going to type it. H2, and you click on enter. It's already auto loads it for you. So this is H2 heading, and you have just save. You can use the Control S to save, or go to File and click on Save. Now let's go back to the browser and reload the page. We should have two headings now. Well, we have H1 here, we have H2, but H1 sounds like $1, H2 sounds like $2. But here H1 is bigger than H2. The same thing goes for H3, H4, and the rest. Let me pause this and do a rundown of all of the H. Okay, to save our time, I've just added H3, H4. So this is H4. Just make sure you type the same thing that I have here. This is H5, and finally we have the H6. So like I said, you have H1. Okay, We have H1, H2 to H6. So let's see how it shows here. Of course, H1 is the biggest, followed by H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Depending on what you actually want to display on your web browser, you can as well decide to choose which of the headings will be comfortable or will be more applicable. Alright, I'm sure we've been able to learn how to use the H1 and H6 headings. Please register on estudy.com.ng for more videos and like our page on Facebook. See you in the next video.